Across the country, several kids and their parents have gone missing without a trace. Police investigators have found no leads. Some officers have noted when they searched the place of residence looking for clues, fingerprints and other forensic items. Words were found on the floor and walls that read, "No Christmas spirit, no life for you." The only thing of note is a belt buckle was found on the floor with the name, Krampus, on it. It is presumed that this suspected kidnapper is attempting to impersonate Krampus. Police are warning anyone in the area to keep a lookout for the suspect and to lock your doors and windows to prevent the suspect from breaking into your place of residence. We'll keep you posted.
Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-76, proudly serving Flagstaff, Arizona on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Office in Flagstaff, Arizona. The current time is 12. Freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a freeze warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. Temperature, a range of 25 to 30 degrees is expected. Impacts, temperatures at or below freezing, along with areas of frost, could kill sensitive plants and vegetation. Precautionary preparedness actions. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation.
The holidays are here. The most magical time.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Arizona Division of Emergency Management. Extremely frigid temperatures have been reported all across Arizona. The National Weather Service has noticed an extreme dip in temperature. It is currently unknown why the temperatures are extremely low. Winter storms and blizzards are also occurring. The Arizona Division of Emergency Management advises anyone listening to this broadcast to head into a place of shelter immediately. Remember to stay warm. Wrap yourself in several layers of clothing, drink hot fluids, and stay near heaters. Stay tuned for further information as this situation continues to develop.
Only at Target. Wendy's new Italian Mott's is fried mozzarella, garlic knot bun, you know what? You're just gonna want to eat it.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. An extremely unusual event is currently ongoing in the state of Oklahoma. At approximately 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, strange and unusual creatures were reported across Oklahoma, but the majority of the creatures are currently in the regions of Oklahoma County, Tulsa County, Cleveland County, Canadian County, and Comanche County. A description of these creatures will be played on air and is also available on the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management website at ok.gov/unusual creatures. The first of these creatures appears to be large, sentient snowflakes with red eyes and a snarly mouth, creatures resembling presents with teeth. A mythical ape-like creature, known as the Yeti. A large and horned, anthropomorphic, ancient demonic spirit known simply as Krampus. A pine tree-like creature with red eyes and pine-like teeth, known as the Everscream. A robotic tank that takes the form of Santa Claus, with a missile launcher on its back and 2 Gatling guns on both of its arms. Stay inside until it is confirmed safe by the proper authorities. Stay tuned to news outlets for more information.
This holiday, you can gift more and spend less at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. I am sure you have all been aware with the recent blizzards and winter storms that were first affecting the western coast but now is affecting the entirety of the North American continent. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration have detected that the moon has a snowman-like face on it and has become brighter, causing its effects to be felt across North America. This event has been dubbed the Frost Moon. While information on the Frost Moon is limited, we will try to provide as much info as we possibly can. From what we know, the Frost Moon causes extremely frigid temperatures combined with blizzards and winter storms. Several hostile creatures would be in these blizzards and winter storms. These creatures have been named. The following creatures have been spotted across the United States. Flacco is a large, sentient snowflake with red eyes and a snarly mouth. Christmas presents with teeth known as the Mimic. A mythical ape-like creature called the Yeti. Krampus is a large and horned, anthropomorphic, ancient demonic spirit and is presumed to be responsible for the several abductions on December 17, 2023. A pine tree-like creature with red eyes and pine-like teeth known as the Everscream. A robotic tank that takes the form of Santa Claus, with a missile launcher on its back and 2 Gatling guns on both of its arms known as Santa and K1. And a newly discovered creature that is calling itself the Ice Queen. The Ice Queen is a bat-like creature with a pumpkin-like face on her waist cauldron and branch-like horns. Other creatures such as a sentient gingerbread man cookie, a zombified elf, an elf holding a bow, nutcrackers, and an elf flying in a small helicopter have been reported across the United States. Follow these instructions to have a better chance of survival. Stay inside at all costs. Stay warm by any means necessary. The blizzards and/or the creatures has already knocked out power in several states. Get non-perishable food and water. Keep an eye on the water to make sure it doesn't freeze. It is unknown how long the frost moon will last, but it's presumed it will affect Europe in the next several hours. Remember, we are America and we will get through this together. God bless America.
This is a National Information Center statement. All clear, repeating, all clear. The frost moon has passed over North America, the creatures have either been killed or have vanished. Most cities and streets have been buried in snow. Residents are still advised to stay in their homes as their doors may be snowed in. We thank you for your cooperation. This will be over soon.
You use the Quicksilver card from Capital One with no annual fee and unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every way. That makes you the hero of every purchase.